In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Clickup tasks to CSV. Exporting lets you analyze your task data in Excel or Google Sheets, share it with stakeholders, or archive progress outside Clickup. First, open your browser, go to the Clickup website, and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace and open the space and list that contain the tasks you want to export. Think of the list view as your spreadsheet inside Clickup. It's where individual tasks and their details line up in columns. Before exporting, it's worth customizing what you see so the file includes exactly what you need. Use the Customize controls in the list view to show or hide columns like assignees, due dates, statuses, time estimates, or any custom fields your team uses. You can also apply filters to narrow down tasks by status, date, or assignee. The export will respect what's visible here, helping you avoid clutter later. When your view looks right, open the menu in the top right of the list view and choose Export View. This tells Clickup you want to take the data exactly as displayed and move it out of the app. In the export options, select CSV. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a simple, widely compatible format that works with almost any analytics or spreadsheet tool. It keeps your data clean and easy to sort, pivot, and graph. Next, choose the Normal option for the CSV. Normal captures the standard set of fields from the current view, which is ideal for most reporting and analysis needs. If your team uses a lot of custom fields, making sure those columns are visible before export will include them here automatically. Confirm your selection and the download will begin. Depending on your browser, the file will save to your default downloads folder. If you have a lot of tasks, give it a few moments to finish. Then open the CSV in your preferred tool and you'll see your tasks organized in rows with each field in its own column, ready for sorting, filtering, or building charts. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open the right list, tailor the columns, export the view, pick CSV, choose Normal, and download. Repeat the process anytime you need a fresh snapshot of your data. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Bye for now.